Hello everyone, today we will have a look at tactics in the queen versus pawn endgame. This is the Endgame series, a series in which I explain all the endgames in increasing difficulty. Also, according to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Enjoy the video. In an earlier video we saw that if black has a rook or a bishop pawn, he can draw the game easily. However, this is not the case if the white king is very active. In fact, if the white king stands in this box, white will always be able to win the game. The white king should go to one of these squares and the white queen should stand on the second rank. Let's have a look. Queen to f6, king to b1, queen to f1, king to b2, and now queen to e2. The queen stands on the second rank. After king to b1, we play the move king to c4. And after a1 queen, we play the move king to b3. With white, we're threatening mate in various ways. And the poor black queen in the corner can't do anything about it. She can give a check and hope for the best, but of course this is mate in 2. The white king used to stand on the d5 square. Now he stands on e3. We start off by placing our queen on the second rank. After king to b1 we can activate our king. At the moment we are threatening queen to c2 and there is no way for black to stop this. After a1 queen, this is simply mate. In this position black has a bishop pawn, not a rook pawn. If black manages to go to h1 in time, this is a draw. However, the white king is very active and he'll come to g3 very soon. We start off by activating our queen. Queen to c4. After king to e1, queen to e4 and king to f1. She has a lot of range and she controls a lot of key squares. So from here we can just activate our king. After king to f4, king to g1 and king to g3. This position is tactically winning. f1 queen, we have a very nice move here. Queen to d4. The black queen can't block the check because we would just take that queen. After king to h1, we can either play queen to h4 or queen to h8. And after king to g1, we mate on h2. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.